Welcome back, everyone. I'll go ahead and show you exactly how to fix your TikTok subscription or connection problem, essentially showcasing you that, oh, your TikTok either has connection problem, internet connection problem, whatever it's called. They may change that error in the future. Now, the very first thing I would tell you, as always, is to verify that you're connected to a network connection. This is like a meme at this point, but it is the very first thing I'd recommend you guys to do. Mostly because if you have a TikTok account, you need to have an internet connection to make sure things are good. And if it's a connection error problem, this is without a doubt the number one thing you can do. So you want to go inside of your settings app or whatever app you have. You can also get into the control center. If you have an Android, swipe up from the bottom or top. You will basically get into your Wi-Fi or cellular connection settings. You want to make sure that your cellular connection or your data connection or whatever are set and they're on and everything. If they are bad, if they're off, if you are not connected to Wi-Fi or whatever, you're going to have some issues. So you're going to want to make sure that your Wi-Fi and your cellular connections are set up and you have a good connection. A way to verify this is to hop into any other app, Snapchat, Instagram, Safari, and see if you're able to load up some web pages. If you are, then you're set. If you're not able to load up web pages and you're having issues, then you've pretty much found your problem, and that's essentially the very first thing you want to look into. Now, the next thing I'd recommend doing, and this is the thing that's probably going to fix it for you, is to check if TikTok is down. So a great way to check if TikTok is down is to literally type in TikTok down like this into your search bar, and you want to find any sort of website that tells you, like Down Detector, whether TikTok is down. And it tells me with this that there are no issues specifically with this specific TikTok app. So that's essentially the main thing you want to look at. Are there any issues with TikTok? You can see no problems. You can look at other websites like this. You can even look at the comment section of this video. That's another pretty big place you can look, sort by newest comments. And that's essentially the main thing you can do. If none of those things work, the next thing I would recommend doing is going inside of your app store and updating your TikTok app. So go inside of TikTok, just like so, and click update and see if there's an update available. Click it. If not, then you may just have to wait until TikTok fixes the problems on their end and essentially move on from there. So that's essentially how you do it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.